Good morning, first grade. Today is Friday. Oh, happy Friday, everyone. It is Friday, May 15th, 2020. I hope you all had a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching these videos and keep up all the great work. So, as you know, we're following Taddison as he hops around. We're studying patterns, we're writing equations, and we are able to predict what will be under this card. Some of it, not all of it. I looked for other patterns, and I don't think I can find them. I think we might have found every pattern. So I don't have X-ray vision. I'm just really smart, and I can study patterns, and so can you. So can you tell me the color it will be? Can you tell me if it will be Arrow's word problem or 120 grid? And go ahead and think about it. Look at our patterns. I won't go through it again. My head is in the way a little bit, but that's okay. So hopefully you know the color and what it will be. Look at the diagonal patterns we're noticing. Arrows, 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 word problem, word problem, word problem. That is definitely a true pattern. So I can see this arrow. So that means 15 will have to be arrows as well. It's diagonally this way. It doesn't work diagonally this way every time. But we'll see at the end of our month what it looks like, and maybe we'll find another pattern. All right. So let's flip our card, and I know it'll be yellow because we have two yellows in a row. If it wasn't yellow, then that would be weird, and it wouldn't be a pattern. It is yellow, and it is arrows because of that diagonal pattern. So Tad was on 76, as we see here, and he is going down one arrow into the right one arrow, and we know both of those are addition. So we're adding a 10, and then what else are we adding? A 1. I can even do this in my head. If we start at 76 and then we add 10 more, what number do we get? Well, we change the 7 to an 8 because we're just adding 10 more, so we have 86, but then I'm not quite done because that arrow to the right means I have to tack on another 1. So the number will be 87. I just did that equation in my head, and hopefully you can get to the point where you can take a number, add 10 to it in your head without having to write it out. But we will write it out anyway. So he was at 76, and he hopped down 1, and it was 86, and then he went to the right one, ending on 87. I don't know how teachers draw with this thing. It is like the hard, look at how hard that is. I don't know how they do it. Let's do our equation. So today is the 15th. I knew I started on 76 and we're adding. And instead of saying 10 plus 1, let's just put the 1 and the 10 together. Either way you do it, it's okay. You could have 3 add-ins or you can break things up, and we've been practicing that. But if you want to do it the easiest way, that's how. And our answer was 87. And that's where we ended. And I looked at this chart, and this helps us find patterns too. And I was looking, thinking maybe there's one with the end number, like even. And I looked everywhere and I really couldn't find one. So, and I also thought maybe with the operation, looked everywhere, I couldn't find one. But I want you to continue looking out for patterns because we see them everywhere, especially in math. Now, our poem. No. We got to sing our song. It's Friday. A penny is 1, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter's 25. Sing it. A penny is 1, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter's 25. Thank you for listening to my wonderful music and my singing. Let's put one more quarter. Let's paste it on there. So, do you know how much money we have? $2.75. So, can we skip count by 25s? Because we know we have $2, and then 25, 50, 75. So we have $2.75. Now, the decimal point is super important because if I wrote 275 like this, that is not $2.75. That's actually $275. That's a big difference. So our decimal point separates our dollars from our cents. So $2.75. It is super important. Now we know each dollar is worth 100 cents. So we go 100 plus 100. That's our $2. And then we have 3 quarters, and every quarter is 25 cents. So we'll have to do plus 25, and plus 25, and we get 275. That is 275 cents. Now, our last thing is our days in school. It's the 154th day of school. So let's do, let's break it up into 50s, because I kind of like 50s. I don't know why. So how many 50s? Can we skip out by 50s? 50, 100, 150, 200. Stop. We have to go to 154. You've gone too far. So I have 150 there. And now how many more do I need? I just need 4 more. And then I get my answer, 154. Remember, the equals could be at the beginning too, or at the end. That is that. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed them. Now I'm going to pass the baton to Miss Bryant, and she will take over. You'll enjoy watching those. Have a great weekend, and I will see you later, I guess. Again, I don't know.